Hi class, I'm giving you an introduction to Assignment 9, and Assignment 9 is the very beginning of our next unit, Unit 3. And the big project for Unit 3 is going to be another annotated bibliography, this time with 5 sources, and then also a presentation. And so for Assignment 9, we're beginning to work through all the different pillars of information literacy. So we're going to start with identifying your need for information. So you can read the chapter in the book about identifying the need for information. I've also provided an example of this assignment here under the readings. But what your assignment is going to be is to choose a topic that you're going to be researching for your to create your annotated bibliography and then to do your presentation. So I want you to choose from 2 different topic areas, and these are both things we've been talking about already during the semester. So you can choose to continue researching a particular group of students that we have supports for here at Howard Community College. So that being our Black males, the Hispanic or Latino students, single moms, first-generation college students, etc. And you can continue looking at why those groups are maybe not as successful in college and what we can do to help them. For this one, you can't use any of the articles that you have found already. You'll have to get 5 new articles on that topic, but you keep researching that same topic. Then the second topic is one that's related to the careers. We just finished our brief career unit where you explored a career that you were interested in. And so for this one, you're going to find an issue or maybe a trend in a career that you're interested in and talk about why that's become a problem in that career. And again, how you can maybe help solve that issue or how a person can help solve that issue. So for example, an issue in a career might be that ER nurses might be prone to having PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. And so if you don't have an issue or can't think about an issue related to your career, you can either go to that Occupational Outlook Handbook, which we used in the career assignment, and look for some issues that way. Or I've also had luck just doing a straight up Google search where I clicked on, whatever the career is, like myself as a teacher, I would click on teaching and issues. I would type that in the search box, teaching and issues, or teaching and trends, or teaching and challenges. And I found good luck finding some issues or trends in a field with just that simple Google search. So if you're interested in looking more into a career, that's a good way to get you started thinking about what issue or trend you want to look at. So you'll spend a little bit of time thinking about which one of these that you want to do. And then the assignment itself is pretty short. It has 4 questions here. You're just going to tell me about what your topic is, thinking about what you'll read and learn in what you'll read in the chapter. It talks about thinking about what you already know about this topic. So I asked you what you already know about this topic and maybe why you know about this topic. Then thinking about what is it that you want to learn in this topic. And then when we talk about the identify pillar of information literacy, we talk about having a research question. And so then formatting what it is you want to know in the form of a question. So why do nurses suffer from PTSD? What can be done about it? So that is assignment 9. If you want to look ahead and see how this is going to contribute to the future projects, the annotated bibliography assignment, which is due in almost 2 weeks, is posted, as well as the presentation. And I see I have an extra E in presentation. I'll fix that right now. All right, thanks class. I hope if you have any questions, you'll email me. Otherwise, we'll get started on this new unit where you're picking your own topic.